Hi guys, let's speak about tactical heater bag. We're getting a lot of questions how to use it correct way in the winter, in the snow. We had some questions and some people are saying the food doesn't heat up. First of all, let's start from the beginning, how to use it. You should prepare your food. Take this out. And water. I kept the water outside. Its outside temperature is right now 0, let's say. But I tested also in minus 21 degrees, so there is no big difference, to be honest. And how I like to shake it, I don't use spoon. Okay, your food is mixed. Now let's prepare the tactical heater bag. Open it up, take heater out from plastic. Put it on the bottom. And put the water until the line. So the main reason right now why you maybe cannot heat it up if you leave it on the snow. Don't do that. Use your backpack, some wooden pallets, carton, anything else to keep this isolated. Otherwise, you will lose all the energy in the snow, in the cold. So I'm using my backpack. And the second thing is flatten it out. So if you use your food and it will stay on the corners of the package, it will not heat correctly. Open it widely and squeeze food down. So you will have good contact with the heater element. I usually squeeze it like so. And then I put it on top of the heater. Close it. And while it's cold, it takes a little bit of time. I make sure that I will get very good contact with water, with the heater element. And if you want to make sure that the contact is good, just be sure that the white part is under the package, so it not stays on the corners. Alright. And it's 13:02. It should react very soon. We will come back when it starts to heat up. Okay. So 1 minute is gone. You see the heater element is reacting. The water starts to boil around that. Steam goes out. And now it's just, you need to wait. Nothing else. Make sure that your contact with the food is good. And for example, if you are in very windy and cold conditions, so can you imagine if it's like minus 23 when I made the last one? So all this cold is coming here. If it's possible to heat up the food, go to the tent or go to the corner. So keep them cold away as much as possible, because the heating element is heating only from the bottom. Everything on the sides is minus degrees. So let's wait 10 minutes. Then I mix it, stir a little bit, and then we wait more 10 minutes. And then I will show you how much is the temperature. 10 minutes is passed. My recommendation is take it out, stir it and mix it. Why I do that? I do because it's so hot. It is because otherwise, like I said, you heat up only the bottom, but if you mix it, you like mix the energy as well. And I mix it a little bit. Same, I squeeze the food in the bottom, make sure that it's flat, and I'm putting it back on top of the element. And another 10 minutes. So 20 minutes has passed. Let's take it out. And one more tip, if you are extreme cold, like let's say -20 or lower, my recommendation is also you can, if the heater element is already reacting, you can throw a little bit of water away, because other way, if it's so cold, you just lose a lot of energy to heat up the water. But mainly you need you want to heat up your food, not anything else. So I make it work. I don't know, can you see it? Stick it in the middle, kind of. And let's see, 41, 45, 47. If I did it in the -23, actually the result was 47 degrees. I was capable to heat it up. But I would say if you are like +10, doesn't matter at all, because then you don't have any complications. $55 degrees, so hot enough to keep you warm, keep you fueled. And my recommendation again, if you are in cold condition, you need to eat pretty fast, because the temperature is going down and it takes down also the temperature of the food. So, bon appetit!